Assalamu alaikum for class. There is your lesson number 1 of English ladder. I wonder why. मैं हैरान होता हूँ कि क्यों. Firstly, I will tell you about the theme of this poem. What actually poet wanna say in this poem. In this poem, poet is surprised by the wonder of Allah Almighty. He is curious to know about all those things which attracts the attention of the poet and compel him to think about them. As you know, there are many things created by Allah Almighty. We can't count them. So, just I want to tell you about some things like trees, clouds, stars, sun, flowers. These attract the attention of the people. You know, we often think about those things, that how these things are working, how beautifully flower is. And in this poem, poet is also surprised about the wonder of Allah Almighty. So before we start, it's your turn now, students. Write 3 things you wonder about, which you find wonderful and you wonder about. Here you will write. Now, before starting the poem, firstly focus on your intonation and the pronunciation. This will help you a lot to read the text properly. I wonder why the grass is green. मैं हैरान होता हूँ कि घास जो है वो ग्रीन क्यों है. And why the wind is never seen. और जो हवा है वो देखी क्यों नहीं जा सकती. Who taught the birds to build a nest and told the trees to take a rest. कौन है जो परिंदों को घोंसला बनाना सिखाता है. And told the trees to take a rest. और दरख्तों को रेस्ट करने के लिए किसने कहा. And trees are standing on one position. They can't move here and there. So poet is really surprised. Who asks the trees to take a rest? Why can't they move? Oh, when the moon is not quite round, where can the missing bit be found? जब चांद पूरा गोल नहीं होता तो उसका जो बाकी हिस्सा होता है वो कहाँ जाता है. Sometimes we see the moon on the sky that it is quite round, and sometimes it is not round. So poet is really surprised about the moon. He wants to know where is the missing bit be found, where we can find the missing. Who lights the stars when they blow out? जब सितारे दिन की रोशनी में बुझ जाते हैं तो उन्हें ब्लो आउट उन्हें लाइट कौन देता है, रोशनी कौन देता है इन द नाइट. एंड मेक्स द लाइटनिंग फ्लैश अबाउट. और जो तूफ़ान और बारिश आता है तो जो बिजली चमकती है, गरजती है, तो वो किस तरह आती और जाती है. एकदम से वो आती है फिर चली जाती है. Who makes the lightning flash about? Understand, students? Now, who paints the rainbow in the sky and hangs the fluffy clouds so high? और जो रेनबो होती है, you can see on your book as well that there is rainbow. Who paints the rainbow? Who is there that paints the rainbow in the sky when it appears? And hangs the fluffy clouds so high. और जो हर नरम और हल्के बादल होते हैं वो इतनी ऊंची कैसे उड़ते हैं, और उन्हें इतनी ऊंची कौन लटका देता है, कैसे वो आसमान पर पहुंच जाते हैं. वाई इज़ इट नाउ? ऐसा क्यों है? डू यू सपोज, आपके ख्याल में, दैट डैड वोंट टेल मी इफ़ ही नोज. डैड ने भी मुझे नहीं बताया अगर उन्हें, इफ़ ही नोज, अगर उन्हें पता होता. दिस पोएम इज़ रिटन बाय जीनी किरबाई. पोएट नेम written by Jeannie Kirby. Now we will come to the difficult words of this poem. Wonder, a feeling of surprise and admiration. Its English meaning. Blow out, bujana, disappear. Blow out, bujana, disappear is English meaning. Fluffy, naram or halke, light and soft. For further detailed meaning, you can consult your notes. So I am going to show you your notes. There is lesson number 1. You can see the notes on your mobiles. Wonder, हैरान होना. A feeling of surprise and admiration. Blow out, बुझाना. Disappear, fluffy, नरम और हल्के, light and soft. Suppose, फर्ज करना, ख्याल करना. To think that something is probably true or will probably happen. Lightning, bijli, a sudden bright light in the sky when there is a storm. Sudden, अचानक से बिजली चमकती है और फिर चली जाती है। फ्लैश, रोशनी का तेजी से आना जाना, इसी बिजली की बात हो रही है, उसी रोशनी की बात हो रही है जो आसमान पर तेजी से आती है और जाती है। अ ब्राइट लाइट दैट कम्स एंड गोज क्विकली। अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स, this is your task of today. You will learn the meanings. This will help you that understand your poem properly. So you will have to read the poem properly. This is your first lecture. Understand? Thank you.